Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Tech Theory, and in this video let's have a look at the iOS 12 beta 9 on the iPhone 6. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and click that bell icon for latest video updates. Let's begin now. So guys, Apple has rolled out the iOS 12 beta 9 today, and there are no major changes in this update. So let's have a quick look at it and let's see does it improves the battery life. So let's begin now. So guys, firstly talking about the performance is literally same. iOS 12 beta 8 was released last week, and this week we have the beta 9. So there are no major performance changes. There is some fluidity back to the OS. And talking about the benchmark scores are pretty same. I tested it twice and I got the same results. And also talking about the battery life, now the battery life is literally same. The battery life has not been improved or not been degraded, and it is totally same. You can't get really change full battery life in this update. The battery life is pretty similar, but I will say that there is an improvement, as it is a further beta as compared to beta 8. There is an improvement, but there is no major improvement. The performance is also fluid now. There are no major performance changes, but the performance is really fluid. And as we are nearing to the official release, Apple is trying to polish their software, and it will be a good experience for the users. And so if you are on beta 8, beta 7 or any betas, then you should definitely update to beta 9. It is a worth updating beta. So if you want to update, then you can do it by software update. If you are a beta tester, you will get an update, and for public beta testers it will be out quite soon. So do update. It is a really good update. So there is no need for any benchmark scores. I have tested it, but I didn't took any screenshot for it because it was pretty same. And also talking about the battery life is really same, and the performance is also really same. So yeah, that's pretty much guys. If you want to see any more videos on iOS 12 beta 9, then let me know in the comments. I'll definitely make a follow-up video tomorrow, as I'm quite busy right now. So yeah, that's pretty much guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.